One of the most important considerations when undertaking the development and creation of a data analytics platform in-house is going to be the expectations set forth by your organization. Chiefly, whether or not you can handle all of the use cases that are needed for this data platform and whether or not you can meet the expectations in a timely manner. And as we start on this journey, many times clients have the desire to build and manage this themselves and quickly realize that it is a long process and one that really doesn't end when you're done, quote unquote, building it. In fact, when you build it, it's actually just the beginning of what you're going to need. You're going to need a platform that can transform itself, accept new use cases in the future because you're going to have different needs in the future. Coupled with that, we have a situation where many organizations may not have the expertise needed to understand how to curate the data and then how to accurately apply or make use of the data. We see this with many of our advanced analytics like risk and benchmarks and things like that, where you really want to make sure that you're using it properly because the results that you're getting are going to impact some of the big projects and decisions that you're making within your organization. Finally, another difficulty that our clients have is analytic platforms and the building and curation of them and the ongoing effort isn't necessarily what they do for their business. It's not how they get paid. It's a whole new line of business that you're getting into. By that I mean you're going to need the technical resources to know how to build and curate data in an analytical platform. You're going to need the expertise on how to use that data. All of those expertise and all of those resources tie back to people. And finding people that can do those things is probably, in most cases, very different than the type of people that you're looking for to normally run your business. What our clients find with us at MedInsight is a willing partner that can help them on that journey. Our platform is already curated for hundreds of use cases and already stores the data, especially the data that we help to create, in a proper format so that it's properly used. Many of our clients want to skip that step, and by skipping that step, they can sometimes save themselves years in development. By using our platform, which is flexible, you can have a data analytics platform that is your own and make it your own without having to actually go through and build it from scratch. Here at MedInsight, this is not a new line of business. We've been building MedInsight and storing data within it for years. One thing, in addition to the structure itself that we can bring from MedInsight, is our expertise and our experience. Years and hundreds of clients have gone into making MedInsight what it is. It answers hundreds of use cases across many different types of clients. Those things are very hard for an organization building a platform itself to realize or to even know that is a blind spot. In that way, we can help our clients get a quicker time to value than they might have gotten on their own.